SolidWorks Simulation is a tool to help you virtually test your parts so you can confidently make better design decisions. There are 4 ways you can get the tool. Here's what they are and what you can do with each flavor of simulation. The first way is to use SolidWorks Simulation that's included with SolidWorks Premium. The premium license to SolidWorks Design includes basic linear static analysis, which is just strength testing of parts and assemblies. This is the only flavor of simulation capabilities that is included with a SolidWorks Design license. The other flavors of simulation are really levels or functionality suites, which can be added to any level of SolidWorks Design. You have SolidWorks Simulation Standard, Simulation Professional, and Simulation Premium. SolidWorks Simulation Standard includes your basic linear static analysis included with SolidWorks Design Premium, but it also offers some advanced plots and capabilities to improve the user experience of strength testing parts and assemblies. SolidWorks Simulation Professional adds additional capabilities to help you run more study types to expand the testing you can perform in your designs. Simulation Professional includes fatigue analysis to design for the life of your part, topology optimization to help ensure geometric optimization of the part design. It even includes thermal temperatures and heat, as well as frequency modal and buckling analysis. SolidWorks Simulation Premium adds on capabilities for nonlinear materials like plastics or composites, and even adds capabilities for dynamic analysis. Although there are many variations of SolidWorks Simulation, the result is always the same: confidence in your design decisions so you can create the best parts possible before they ever get made.